Hey there, my Stampin' friends. It's time for sketch project number 25. Today I'm featuring the Zoo Crew DSP, but I'm pairing it with the glorious gingham in the lemon lime twist color. I did some selective cutting of this panel of DSP. I wanted the lion roasting his marshmallow, and that piece measures 2 3/4 by 4. Now this glorious gingham piece was actually scrapped from a previous project, so I started out with a 5 1/4 by 6, and I wanted a piece that measured 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, so that top square. I stamped the You Make My Life Happier from the Very Best Occasion stamp set on a die-cut banner from the Stylish Shapes dies. So here are the 4 quick pieces we're going to use to do this sketch. Would you like it all written down? Sign up for my mini tutorials. Start by folding the cardstock in half and creasing it with your bone folder. Now we're going to layer our 2 panels with our liquid adhesive. Our first panel goes down with a 1/4 inch in from the left and a 1/2 inch down from the top on a diagonal slant. Then our character piece comes in at 1/4 inch up from the bottom and a 1/2 inch in from the right, so they overlap the 2 panels. Now our sentiment on the banner, we're going to fold it in half and crease it with our bone folder. Then just adhere the 2 halves together with your liquid adhesive. Then I added it to the top of the card right along the edge. And there we have a nice, simple sketch. I think it's kind of fun. See the link in the description to find my sketch gallery and also the link to sign up for the mini tutorials. Remember, subscribe on YouTube and to my newsletter so you don't miss out on anything. Thanks, everybody. We'll